guys, I'm Denise.
And I'm Liza, and in this video we'll be showing you 4 easy home decoration DIYs.
And all the materials can be found at your local dollar store.
The first DIY we will be making is a cute geometric wall art. For this DIY, you will need a poster, tape, paint, and paintbrushes. The first thing you will need is a poster board. If it is too long, you may cut it to the size you want. Now you will take the masking tape and place it on the poster, creating geometric shapes. Make sure to take long strips of tape to cover the whole area. After you have created a design you like, now it's time to paint. Take any color paints that you like and put them on each individual shape. I recommend giving the poster 2 coats of paint. After you finish painting, let the poster dry. Lastly, remove the tape, but make sure to be careful since you don't want to damage the poster. You can always go back and add paint to any area you see as messed up. Now that your wall art is complete, find a nice place where you can hang it.
For the second DIY, we're going to be making a letter wall art. You'll need a poster, pencil, fake flowers, and a hot glue gun. The first thing you'll need to do is plug in the hot glue gun so it can heat up while you do your other steps. Next, you'll have to lay the poster on a hard surface like a table or a floor, and with the pencil, make an outline of the letter you want. Next, grab your scissors and cut out the letter you just made. Lastly, you can start removing the flowers from the stems and start gluing them onto the letter in any way you want. Make sure to press down on the flowers onto the poster just to make sure that they're secure on. And also remove any glue strings that may be coming out of the poster. Now you can find an empty wall and display your artwork.
For our third DIY, we are making a personal decorated mug. For this DIY, you will need a mug, stickers, paint, and a round paintbrush. This DIY is very simple and easy to follow. The first thing you will need is a completely white mug. After, you will use the letter stickers in order to spell out a name or any word that you like. For this DIY, I will place the word love on my mug. Once your stickers are on the mug, take the round paintbrush and any color paint and start painting dots on top and around the stickers. Finally, let the mug dry and then remove the stickers. Now it's time to enjoy your favorite drink with your personalized mug.
DIY will be making a mason jar tissue holder. You'll need a mason jar, paint, a tissue box, paintbrush, and a knife. The first thing you'll have to do is paint the mason jar. After, you need to cut a hole on the lid so that the tissues have a way to come out. This part is probably the trickiest, so be careful when cutting the hole. While that dries, you'll need to remove the tissues from the tissue box. Once the paint dries, fold the tissues hot dog style and place them inside the mason jar. Depending on the size of your mason jar, you might need to take some tissues out like I did. Lastly, just pull the middle tissue up through the lid and seal it. Finally, you have your cute tissue holder. Now you can find a table to place it and show off your unique decor.
you guys enjoyed the video.
Thanks for watching.